Can you combine DDR3 and DDR4? I have a computer with 2 sticks of DDR4 RAM, and someone just gave me some old RAM that's DDR3. Can I use both in the same computer?
No. They use different connectors, different rules to activate and refresh the stored values, and different voltages, so even if someone could make a physical adapter, it still would not work. It's very, very rare that a motherboard would have both kinds of connectors. If you will provide the make and model of your motherboard, laptop, desktop or server, we can advise whether you use DIMMs or SODIMMs. DDR3 for desktop and server PCs use a 240-pin connector, DDR3 SODIMMs for laptops have 204 pins. DDR4 for desktop and server PCs use a 288-pin connector, DDR4 SODIMMs for laptops and some Mac desktops have 260 pins. Source 1 Source 2 Micron data sheet.
Can I use both in the same computer? Your system is only compatible with DDR4 memory. The layout of the pins on a DDR3 modules are completely different to that of a DDR4 module. You would be unable to install the DDR3 modules into your motherboard. If you attempted to do so, you would damage the module and or the motherboard itself. Source, DDR4 SDRAM.
Yes, but only with some special mainboards, and you can't use both RAM types at the same time. DDR standards are never compatible with each other, because for big improvements you need to avoid the legacy issues. Mainboards with 2 types of RAM modules are rare and only for some transition period. For example, there were mainboards with both DDR and DDR2, or DDR2 and DDR3 modules. Is it possible to use 2 different kinds of RAM, DDR2 and DIMM, on a motherboard? What will happen if I use DDR3 and DDR2 RAM simultaneously? There are also mainboards that supports both DDR3 and DDR4 like the ASRock B150M Combo G. But generally they don't worth the effort, and it'll be easier and cheaper to buy new RAM sticks. See also, can we put both the DDR3 and DDR4 in the same motherboard? Is a DDR3MB compatible with DDR2 RAM?
If you want to support Dell, please send the link and subscribe.